Hi, my name is Lokesh, and I would like to welcome you all in this classroom where we are learning about career in engineering. So we are trying to understand different domains of engineering where you can make up your career and understand the basic of each and every domain. So in our first classroom on career education, we have learned about you can say electrical and electronics engineering. In that, then we have learned something about mechanical and automobile engineering. In the third classroom, we have learned something about you can say civil engineering. And in the fourth classroom, in today's classroom, what we are going to learn is something about chemical and petroleum engineering. So let's start with understanding the basics of chemical and petroleum engineering. So chemical engineers design, develop, process that transform the physical and the chemical state of substances suits commercial application. So what they are doing is that they transform physical and the chemical state of the substance which matches with the commercial application. It ranges from improving food processing to fertilizer to even clothes we wear. So they can change physical and chemical state of the chemicals or you can say food, or you can say even the clothes which you are wearing. So modern day chemical engineers also work on pioneering concept like nanotechnology. A specialization in chemical engineering, petroleum engineering deals with optimizing extraction of oil and gas from the surface of the earth. So they optimize the process how we can get more and more oil and gases from the surface of the earth. So petroleum engineers implement methods that maximize the extraction of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are like say fuels which we are using today. These are all hydrocarbons efficiently with least environmental repercussion. Least environmental repercussion, like they're trying to work out on the process where we have a maximum extraction of hydrocarbon without affecting nature. So this is something about chemical and petroleum engineering. Now we'll trying to understand the career scope in chemical and petroleum engineering. So the first is drilling engineering. Drilling engineers determine the best way to drill an oil and gas well, taking into the account number of pointer including the cost. They also ensure that the drilling process is safe, efficient, minimum disruptive to the environment. First, drilling engineering. Second, production engineering. Production engineers take over after a well is drilled. Like so, what drilling engineering drills, then the production engineering comes into picture. They typically monitor the well's oil and gas production. If a well is not productive as much as it was expected, production engineering figure out the ways to increase the amount of oil being extracted or the gas being extracted. So first is drilling, then the production engineering. Then completion engineering. Completion engineering decide the optimal way to finish the building as building a well, or you can say rig, or where the oil is getting extracted, so that the oil or the gas will flow up from the underground. They oversee well completion work which might involve the use of tubing, hydraulic fractures, or pressure control techniques. This is completion engineering. Reservoir engineering. Reservoir engineering estimate how much oil or gas can be reserved from underground deposit known as reservoirs. They study reservoirs characteristic and determine which method will get the most oil and gas out of the reservoirs. They also monitor operation to ensure that the optimal levels of this resource are being recovered. These are reservoir engineering. They try to work on the reserve of the oils and how to make use of proper reservoirs. Manufacturing goods. Manufacturing goods. Chemical engineering help in manufacturing consumer goods like chemical engineering. Manufacturing goods as a subdomain or a career scope in chemical and petroleum engineering. Chemical engineers help in manufacturing consumer goods like plastic, clothing, paper, toothpaste, etc. They develop new products and aim to improve their existing quality. They even find out work in pharmaceutical manufacturing division also. Now we have understood the different career scope in chemical and petroleum engineering. Repeat once more: drilling engineering, production engineering, completion engineering, reservoir engineering, and engineering related to manufacturing goods. Now we will go through some of the basic important points. So most of the college eligibility criteria is 50% aggregate marks in class 12, and some of the minimum is 60%. Must have passed class 12 senior secondary examination with at least 50% marks including English. Some exams requires JEE score as the minimum eligibility criteria. Some colleges, university also have an age limit. We will go through the list of all top engineering college which are providing a degree in chemical and petroleum engineering in India. So first is like Indian Institute of Technology, multiple locations, Birla Institute of Technology, BITS Pilani and Mesra, National Technology Calicut, National Technology Silchar, National Institute of Technology Suratkal, National Institute of Technology Bhopal, Vellore Institute of Technology Chennai, Indian School of Mines Dhanbad, Indian School of Mines Dhanbad, Sri Ramaswamy Memorial University SRM, multiple location, Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University Gandhinagar, St. Andrew Institute of Technology and Management Gurgaon, International Institute of Information Technology Hyderabad, PhD College of Technology Coimbatore, Maharashtra Institute of Technology Pune, Anna University Chennai, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology Uttar Pradesh, Madras Institute of Technology Chennai, Motilal Nehru Institute of Technology is in Uttar Pradesh, PEC University of Technology Punjab, and University of Petroleum and Energy Studies is in Uttarakhand. We are going through the top engineering college which provide the degree in chemical and petroleum engineering in world. First is University of Manchester, the University of New South Wales, University of California Berkeley, University of College of London, Imperial College of London, Massachusetts Institute of Technology is in United States, Delft University of Technology, Howard University, National University of Singapore, California Institute of Technology, University of Michigan, University of Toronto, and finally it is Purdue University, which is in United States. With some of the entrance examination happening in India for getting into the UG program, degree in chemical and petroleum engineering. So first examination, as we have in every classroom, we'll see the same examination. It's like joint entrance examination, JEE Mains. There are two process, step 1 and step 2. JEE Main takes place in month of April, and JEE Advanced takes place in month of May and June. Then we have a National Engineering Aptitude Test, NEAT, NET, June. Birla Institute of Technology and Science and Technology, BITSET, that takes place in May. Education Promotion Society of India National Admission Test is like April and May. Vellore Institute of Technology Engineering Entrance Examination that takes place in April. University of Delhi Combined Entrance Examination that takes place in month of June. Medical Engineering and Dental College of Karnataka, that is COMDK, takes place in May. For ICFAI Science and Technology in May, Indian Institute of Space and Technology Admission Test is in June, Combined Written Test is in May and June, SRM University Engineering Examination month of April, Manipal University Online Examination month of March and April, Indraprasth University Common Entrance Examination which takes place in month of April. Now, if you want to get into, once you get into through this entrance exam, you get into the UG program where you get a degree in chemical and petroleum engineering, and if you want after UG, if you want to go for a PG, that is for post graduation, then you have to give an entrance examination named GATE, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So now we will try to understand some basic work description when you get into the field of chemical and petroleum engineering. So let's start with understanding the work description. First is evaluate chemical equipment in the process to identify ways to optimize performance and to ensure compliance with safety and environmental regulations. So you can say equipment process and to identify optimizing how you can optimize the performance of all the compliance or the equipment. This is the work description point number 1. Conduct research to develop new improved chemical manufacturing process. Improve manufacturing process. Point number 2. Determine most effective arrangement of operations such as mixing, crushing, heat transfer, distillation and drying. Perform test and monitor process in various stages of production of the product. Develop process to separate component of liquid or gases or generate electrical current using controlled chemical process. Develop process, separate component of liquid or gases, generate electrical currents using controlled chemical process. Perform laboratory studies of various steps in manufacturing of new product. So you can say laboratory studies, you study in your lab with about the various steps of manufacturing new product and test proposed process in small scale operations such as pilot plant. Work closely with chemists and control engineers to ensure that process plant is set up to provide maximum output level to ensure efficient running of the production facility. So these are the work description where you need to work when you are, these are some of the work description which you work when you are working as a chemical and petroleum engineer. And the final point which you would like to understand is what are the advantage and disadvantage when you go through the field of chemical and petroleum engineer. First advantage, the career is highly rewarding in terms of monetary benefit. Chemical engineering can work in variety of setting, manufacturing, pharmaceutical research, products and product testing, and many more. Petroleum engineering high into demand because petrochemical are the one of the basic domain which is there for a overall career scope, because it's related to the basic fuel to the economy. Now we are talking about the disadvantage of getting into the field of chemical and petroleum engineering. Much of the time is spent on lab and chemical engineering. Petroleum engineering may find office hours unstructured. Work may find them in the remote location, like on rigs, or you can say offshore. Working condition may be hazardous sometime in both the branches, chemical as a chemical engineer or as a petroleum engineer. These are the disadvantages. So what we understood in today's session is we have understood about the chemical and the petroleum engine description. Then we've gone through the career scope in chemical and petroleum engineering, then some important point, then the list of colleges, top colleges in India which provide degree in your chemical and petroleum engineering. Then we've gone through the top college in the world which provide degree in chemical and petroleum engineering. Then we've gone through with the entrance examination which is taking place after 12th standard. After finishing your 12th standard examination, you have to appear for the entrance examination to get into the degree college for your engineering, for your undergraduation. Then we've gone through entrance exam for your getting into the post graduation. After UG, you'd go for a PG undergraduation to the post graduation. There's an entrance exam named GATE. Then we've gone through with some of the work description in your chemical and petroleum engineering. And finally, we have understood some basic advantages and the disadvantages of making a career in chemical and petroleum engineering. So this is all about chemical and petroleum engineering. And thank you so much for your time. And in next session or in next classroom, we are going to understand some new domain of engineering which help you out in understanding the more basics of making a career in engineering, build up your career in particular domain. So thank you again, thank you so much for your time. Stay tuned with us because we are coming up with a lot of videos helping you out to make a better career.